Warm-Up Reading 1. Fiction. Mystery, suspense, and adventure. Going camping. Jenny was afraid to go camping. "Come on, Jenny," said her brother Mike. "It will be fun. We can take our dog." They pitched a tent beside the lake. Then something splashed. "What was that noise?" Jenny cried. "Only a fish," said Mike. They roasted corn and bread over the fire. Their dog got a piece of bread, too. Then something hooted. "What was that noise?" Jenny cried. "Only an owl," said Mike. They crawled into their sleeping bags and zipped up the tent. Then something whined and scratched on the door. "What was that noise?" Jenny cried. Now Mike was scared too. He turned on his flashlight. Then he began to laugh. "It's our dog," he said. "We forgot to put him in the tent with us." The end. The nest. Mother could not find her thread. "I had a whole spool of it," she told the family. "Now it is gone." Aunt Jean could not find her left black glove. "I can't wear only one glove," she cried. Stan hopped up and down in one green sock and one blue sock. Who would take one green sock? Someone had taken Jill's pink hair ribbon. "It's a mystery," she said. "Who was taking our things?" Stan decided to find out who the thief was. He looked high. He looked low. He opened cabinet doors. Finally, he found the thief. "It's a mouse," he said. There in a cabinet was a nest. It was made of shredded newspaper, white thread, a black glove, a green sock, and a pink ribbon. Inside the nest were 5 mouse babies.